If I were giving a chance to enrich the criteria provided in this lesson, I think I would add creativity and critical thinking as additional criteria. Why? For me, I think these are necessary because they allow students not only to recall and understand information, but also to apply their knowledge in original and meaningful ways. According to the 21st Century Skills Framework in 2019, creativity and critical thinking are essential competencies that prepare learners to solve real-world problems and adapt to complex challenges. By including this criteria, the assessment would not only measure what students know, but also how effectively they can use that knowledge in innovative and truthful ways.
Good day, everyone. If I were to add another criterion in selecting instructional materials for teaching literature, I would include moral and ethical values. I believe that literature is not only meant to entertain or inform. It is also serve as a mirror of life. Through stories, poems, and plays, the student can learn about right and wrong, develop empathy, and understand the consequences of human actions. When we choose materials that promote moral and ethical values, we help our learners build good character and become responsible members of society. For example, reading stories that highlight honesty, respect, compassion, and perseverance encourage students to apply these values in real life. This criterion is necessary. Why? Because education is not just about developing the mind, but also about shaping the heart. By integrating moral and ethical lessons into literature, teacher can guide students toward critical thinking and moral reflection while still appreciating the beauty of language and culture. In short, adding moral and ethical values ensures that the materials we select do not only enrich students intellectually, but also inspire them to live with integrity and kindness. Have a pleasant day. Thank you.
Good evening, this is Jeffrey Valdez. The question is, if I were given a chance to enrich the criteria provided in this lesson, why would they be? Why would you think your added criteria are necessary? My answer is, I would give the students the full creative freedom to express their talents and skills as additional criteria. In today's world, our students has just been following what the elders told them to do. They never get the chance to fully express their talents and skills. So, if I would give the chance to enrich the criteria, I wouldn't pressure my students to follow strict mechanics, but rather give the full creative freedom to do whatever they needed to improve and enhance their work. And I thank you.
For me, to enrich a lesson, add criteria for personal relevance and application, creative problem solving, and demonstrated collaboration. These are necessary to ensure students understand the why behind the learning, can think outside the box, and can work effectively with others. Moving beyond rote memorization or individual's performance to develop critical real-world skills. Enrich criteria like in personal relevance and application. assess how students connect the lessons content to their own lives and how they can apply it in different situations. Why it's necessary. This criterion moves learning from a theoretical exercise to a practical skill. It ensures students can use the knowledge independently beyond the classroom and understand the purpose of activity as suggested by Peaceport. Creative problem. Evaluate a student's ability to think critically and develop novel solutions, rather than just finding a single correct answer. Why it's necessary. Many real-world problems don't have right one answer. This accreditation assesses students' capacity for innovation and adaptability, which is a crucial skills in any field according to Quora users. Demonstrated collaboration. Huge a student's ability to work effectively in a group, contribute ideas, and support their peers in achieving a common goal. Why it's necessary. Modern workplace and communities rely heavily on teamwork. This criterion ensures that students are not only individually intelligent but also can be effective. Constructive members of a team. Notes Vartana. Example of application. So here we have personal relevance, creative problem solving, and collaboration. For personal relevance, it explains how the historical event influence a decision in your own life. In creative problem solving, propose a new way a government could have resolved the conflict. Collaboration, work with a partner to create a skit from perspective of different people involved in the event. That's all, sir. Thank you.